Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Labs92. I know that you are also curious about creatures in the nature. Last time I made a video of an ant, but I think it was short and it did not have a good feel for you to watch. Today I am going to make a video with different perspectives. It will help you to see the ant better. Now let's see my video. You know, I am from Asia, so my English is maybe not very good, and I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna try my best to spread the good education videos as much as possible. You can see 4 ants in the video, but it's just the same ant. I use several methods to capture the movement of the ant. The ant is very fast, so I just added a little oil on it, so the ant cannot move so fast, so that you all can see the ant better. You can see clearly the head, its forelegs, its middle legs, its hind legs, and its sting.